Today. Where'd Alana go?
Did you see the note that Santa left you?
I'll see you later.
Look, he wrote you a note.
Oh. Where's the note?
Handsome boy.
What does it say?
Handsome boy.
Can you read it?
Santa left a note.
Santa, don't take away, 'cause that means bad. The Magi say it's very bad to say, 'cause it's very bad to say today, 'cause that doesn't mean it's bad.
Good job.
Oh. Could you repeat that? Okay, what does it say again? I wasn't really listening.
That doesn't mean 'cause you can't do that. It's very mean, I can't do that. That's a bad and mean, and you could be very bad. Bad guy says, no, this will be very bad today.
Yay!
Does it say anything about the
You
cookies?
know what she's gonna be
No,
as an actress.
no.
It doesn't
Do you
say
want me to
anything
read it,
about
Bubby?
the
She
cookies?
looks up like
That
do
says
they really
Santa. Do you want to know what he wrote you? You don't want to know what
I
Santa
got them
wrote
all
to you?
fooled.
I
That's what she's
want
saying.
to open myself.
Can I see it?
Can I ask you a question, Lala? Does Santa say anything about the cookies you left him?
Thank you so much for the milk and yummy cookies.
Dave, I passed him the first Santa eat all the cookies. He was on top and one not on top. He then saved one for Rudolph.
Santa saved
did
one
save
cookie
one
for
for
Rudolph?
No, he did. I
You
don't
did.
see
Rudolph
him.
gets hungry too.
I don't see one.